What I don't like about my face is really the under eye area. I have these dark circles and they're nearly always there. And it just makes me feel, just less than happy. You know, you look in the mirror and you think, oh God, look like an owl or something. Not nice. But when I apply my perfect eyes, wow, you wouldn't believe it. It's so simple to put on. The transformation, it's just amazing. Now, the difference when I put on my perfect eyes is that these bags under my eyes, they have just disappeared completely. I mean, instantly. There's nothing else. I found nothing else that can get rid of those bags under the eyes. My husband, he was completely shocked the first time he saw me wearing my perfect eyes because he thought, hang on, that's my bride of 20 years ago. My perfect eyes, it's my secret weapon.